Hello guys, Ganesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well and you are following my channel and getting these updates properly. Okay, so this is a lecture series. So in this series we are already making the back door design. Okay, so we already completed the back door inner panel module. So now we have started the outer panel also. And as I already told you, the outer panel having two more modules also. One is upper panel and one is outer panel upper, outer panel lower. Okay, so we have just started outer panel upper. Okay, so I think we have the last video where we stopped. We already said some basic features regarding outer panel, regarding taking the geometry from the reference. Okay, those and all things we have already covered in the last video. I'm not going to do explaining those things again. Okay, so let's hide this inner panel as of now. We have to work on this outer panel upper. Okay, nothing else. We have to provide the hemming operation here. That would be that is only the major thing we are going to doing here. Okay, you can double click on this. Since you can see that I'm in the assembly file. In the assembly file I'm having four different parts. One is the back door, so which is a reference. I'm keeping it like that, and from this reference we have developed inner panel, outer panel upper, outer panel lower. Okay, so if you want to edit this outer panel upper, double click on it. The name will appear in bold colors, right? So that means you can you are activated this part and you can make edit on this part only. Or else if you double click on this assembly file, you can see that my assembly file is active. How I am saying that the name is in bold colors. So if you apply the operations, so it will be existed in the assembly file, not in part file. Okay, so in order to avoid those mistakes, so be sure about it. Okay, so I'm going to double click on this outer panel. So my outer panel upper is active. I can make edits on this one. Okay, so I think yesterday, so go to part navigator. Yesterday what we have done, we'll just recap them. Okay, so this is the glass A surface. By using the wave geometry linker, we have extracted all the required edges. So I click and make it as a current feature. Okay, then after I have sewed them all together. Okay, they are sewed also, and again I took offset surface. Let's see about why we have taken that. Where is the surface? Offset surface. Yeah, offset in phase. That means probably that tool is offset curve in phase. Okay, so then after we have trimmed this off. This region we have trimmed this. That is fine. And why this extend sheet? Yeah. So for hemming operations, we have extended this a little. Okay. Yeah. I think this won't be correct. We'll have to get. Okay. Anyway, we can trim this off. So we'll see about it. So make it bridge curve. Make it as current feature. Yeah. It is already done. Trim sheet. Make it current feature. So see, it was trimmed off. Hide this curve, and again I took offset surface. Yeah, so this offset is important. So 1 point, sorry, this offset value how can you define it? So it is a simple calculation behind it. So this is the red color that you are seeing is a panel, and you are going to thickening at the last you are going to thicken this part in inward direction. Okay, so that it will be okay. Let's calculate them. So 0.675 we're going to give the thickness plus 0.2 will be the clearance plus, okay, sorry, 0.75 plus 0.2 enter, sorry guys, 0.75 plus 0.2 plus 0.75, this will be the inner panel, and then 0.2 clearance, and then 0.75. So total is 2.65. So this is the value that we have to give. So I know guys, the why I am particularly taking 2.65, that may look a little confusion, but trust me, at the end of this video, after completing all these hemmings and after all operations, you will be knowing that for sure. Okay, so right now double click on this offset surface and make sure you are giving the correct value. Offset, see where my offset is going, it is going on opposite direction. I don't want like that. Okay, I want my offset surface present in inside. So reverse this, click on OK, and I didn't change the value 2.65, that is fine. Okay, then after I have done some sketch, so why it is okay, the tooling axis. So okay, up to now it is okay. The next thing would be, yeah, so hemming operation. So hemming is as easy as we can. So the geometry is very simple, it is very easy to do hemming. Okay, let's try one easiest method first, whether it is working or not we will check it. So go to law extension, select the outer surface edges by clicking on the tangent curves continuity. All the edges will be selected together. Okay, these are should not stop like this. I think it would cause it will cause definitely thickening issues. See guys, one more edge, I think we have missed it. So double click on it and select this edge also, click on OK. Okay, now it seems like I haven't missed any edge here. Okay, okay, let's do outing. What? Law extension, go for tangent curve, select all the outer edges. Gap, yeah, that's it. And the directions, I'm choosing this vector. Okay, 40 mm it is not needed guys, so 5 mm is more than enough. And the angle also we have to take 7 degrees we will take. Okay, the length we will reduce it, we will have to reduce it. So go for 5 mm, enter. Let's see about it properly. So 7 mm, the roughness is falling outwards, so I don't want that. I want it to be fall on inwards. let's change the direction. Let's try again. Yeah, it is continuing that. This is already going inside only. Okay, but why these edges are not meeting each other? Okay, let's remove this vector and go for face only, and make sure single face and select all the faces. Or else you can go for body face option also. Body faces, select one face, so it will select all the respective faces within the body. Okay, this is fine. And let's see about our law extension, whether it is working fine or not. So I'm going to giving the 97-degree draft, on opposite direction. And let's see about which side it is drafting. Okay, change the direction first. Anyway, why it is not doing like this? Let me turn on my charger. Okay, fine. Yeah, you can see that now. So there is one alert it is showing, you can neglect it. Okay, now it is, you can see that it is crossing the offset surface. So that is what I want. Okay, I think there is one option called meter. So blend, instead of blend you can go for sharp. And show you the difference. See, it is not working here. Okay, let's try to reduce this value. Enter. Meter is not applied between multiple bodies. Okay, okay, let's leave it. Okay, it is not working here. Let's use the blend only. Okay, let it be, we can't do anything. Okay, I think more if we put 3 mm only, it will work out. Okay, yeah, it seems like okay, guys. So all the areas it is okay. Let's okay, right click, update display. Okay, it is fine, it seems like fine. The best and easiest approach would be creating tri-tangent fillet. So go for face blend and choose the 3-phase blend. Select the first phase, reverse the arrow and select the second phase. The arrows are pointed towards each other. Okay, and then third curve. I'm selecting this. But before this guys, I just want to make sure that this flange is single body or not. Yeah, you can see that it is not single body. Let's join them together. I think there is a small discontinuity. That's why these are not joined together. You can increase this value. Okay, so I'm putting 0.3, enter, show result, click on OK. Now if you see it, it will show the entire surface as a single body. Okay, this is fine. Now go for face blend and then 3-phase blend. First phase, make sure the arrows were at a point towards each other. Yeah, and then this. Wait for some time guys, the tri-tangent fillet will take more time. If it is not working, we will see by changing the arrow direction. So any of the cases where not worked means we'll have to see for another option. You'll have to find any other way. Okay, let's see about it, whether it will work or not. Okay, I will pause this video up to the tangent creation. Okay. I think, is this worked out? Yeah, it is not working. Yeah, every time I just nearly tried 7 times. Every time it is showing the same thing. Okay, don't know where the mistake could be happening. Okay, let's close this, stop it, and let's see whether here there is any mistake or not. Okay, let's try to apply the fillet here. So edge blend, go for use value, click on OK. Even though it won't work, I know it. So let's try the face blend again. is formed again, but up to where I don't know. Anyways, again it is forming up to here, but from here onwards it is not working out. Okay, let's try to do the fillet here also. So, yeah, any more curve seems like uh, so get the error like this. So we can't provide any fillet there. Okay. Something it will work out, I think. Let's try tangent fillet again. So my laptop is little old laptop, guys, so it will take time for generating the complex shape. Okay, waiting is only the option. So these are final. If it is not working, we'll try to trim them off and we'll give the edge fillet separately. Okay, and then we'll try to apply the pick and operation. If it is worked, our work is completed. So if it is not worked, we'll have to resolve it. What does happen? I also don't know it. Okay, let's cancel it. Yo, what happened? Whether it is worked or not? Okay, no problem. Right click, update display. Okay, we'll try it again. One more last time. 6 minutes are already gone by waiting like this. Okay, so that is why I hate to do this kind of work today. Okay, so your time will be wasting more. Yeah, let's see about it, whether it is how it is working. Yeah, it is not working guys, so let's cancel this. I don't want to waste more time on that. Okay, so let's use the trim and okay, directly use source blend. So two phase only, select the bottom phase. Okay, go for phase blend, and you have selected the body faces, right? Okay, and the second phase would be this. Let's see the value 2.65 divided by 2. We're going to give in that value 2.65 divided by 2. Enter. Let's see the value is working or not. Whether it is forming the fillet entire. Yeah, it is working. Click on OK. It is not working there. Okay, let's use the trim and extend option. Stop, cancel. Okay, trim and extend. Check the inner panel and this. Why it is not turning off? Okay, there will be an option called okay. If the things are happened like this, how it can even work? Okay, what I want to do here, that is why when you are creating the law extension you shouldn't use the phase option. You have to use this the vector operation only. So let's change that. Okay, vector, I'm choosing this my created doing like this. Yeah, still it is working like that. Now this time we will go for the short option. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, the short edge option, you shouldn't go there. Okay, let's do one thing. Undo the last station also. Okay, go for tangent though with the last station. Select this and choose the tooling axis. So it will create plane like that. So go for 70p only. Okay, reverse direction. Not on this. Here you can see it clearly. Yeah, this is okay. 7 degree, 0 degree. Okay, 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree. Yeah, okay, 30 degree. It is somewhat touching my offset surface also. Yeah, everything seems like fair enough. Okay, up to here it is forming. That is fine. Click on apply and select the following curves. Select the tooling axis. Okay, reverse direction. Okay, since this length is not enough, go for 5. Around 8. Yeah, apply. Go with this in the tooling axis. Apply. Apply. Choose this one. Apply. Don't know guys why it is looking like this. Go to curve, select the next curve also. Yeah, so from here onwards there is a something is being happening. Okay, so let's try to increase the thickness here. So we can't change it now. What we can do here, if I change it in main reference surface, so my inner panel will go to happen something. Okay, I don't want to be that. Okay, anyway, let's try it. Give it a try. Okay. So this is the surface. So 4 we have given. So let's go for it. Let's see. Yeah, changing fillet only won't take that time, but our entire inner panel we have created on that feature along with the features. So this is our operation what we have done now, which is tending to do all modifications on the inner panel also. That is why it is taking this much of time. Okay, you can see that 240 features. So that's how the BAW design will work, guys. Okay. Loading only taking nearly half of my time. Okay. Banana juice or banana, how many? I will die with banana itself. Banana is not a problem. Weight race is problem. Weight race is problem. And, okay guys, we got output. Let's see, everything is fine from out the inner panel and all things. Hope nothing what happened in inner panel. Yeah, nothing was happened to our inner panel. Okay. Okay, nothing was happened to our inner panel. Okay, now let's try on our outer panel. Okay, okay, and they continue the process. Why your design tree is empty? Double click. Yeah, okay. let's use the raw extension again. So that would be like this. Let's see how it is working. Now you can see that it is working fine now. Okay, click on apply, undo the next curve, specify the vector. Sorry, okay. So which is also working fine. One okay. Now these and all created as a individual curves, right? So I want to extend them and trim them, and I want to join them. Okay, like the way you can see that these are not properly merged with each other, right? So I have to do something. Double click on this. Let's increase a little value more. 5, enter. Okay. Okay. Let's try to use the trim and extend. Select this first face and the second face. Let's see. Okay, there is no any intersection. So let's extend them a little bit. Then we will try. Okay. Trim and extend. That's it. It will work now. Apply. Okay. Same thing I'm going to do in there also. Okay. I think okay, wait. Extend. Okay, that is going extension, that is fine. Apply. Go for more value. Go for more value. It is going like that, but it is not intersecting the actual surface. So in that cases, what we can do is go for okay, it is not correct. Okay, let's try to trim them off whether it is working or not. Yeah, it may seems like it is working, right? Okay, but you will be having two surfaces there. No, I'm not having any two surfaces there. This is fine. Okay, let's try to sew them. Okay, up to here everything is sewed together. Okay, let's try to do the here also. Okay, let's try to let's try to trim them. How it will happen? We will see about it. Okay. Okay. Up to here everything is sewed together, and then okay, and then here command extend, select this, select this. I think there is no any intersection, so extend sheet, extend a little bit, apply, trim and extend, select this sheet and select this sheet, and then share. I'm seeing a mistake. I'm trying to see closely. Okay, you can see that this is also an intersection. Okay, can we remove this? Okay, what I do, I will just go to trim sheet. Okay, select this, enter, and the boundary can't able to select it. I want to undo operation will be there. Okay, I want to undo this surface only. Click on apply. Okay, so I think we can delete it now. Yeah, and then what we can do, okay, let's try to use the log extension again. Go for single curve. Yeah, it may seems like okay now. Apply. It is okay. So I think we can trim them off. Okay. Now there is one more difficulty. So this sheet comes some more about this thing, like control that also. We can join these two by using the curve, which curve, first curve would be this, second curve would be this. Go for the value 0, start and end conditions, apply, and then okay, you can use this as a guide curve. So go to surface, sweep, first curve, not this, first curve, and then second curve. Okay, first guide curve, fine, and then second guide. So apply. Okay. Now you will have to trim here also. Don't forget to join up to here. I think everything from here to behind is joining. Okay. Then we have to think about here also. So, okay, let's try to extend, or else directly use the trim and extend option. Whether it is working or not, we will see. Okay, not working. Extend sheet. Okay, apply. Okay, tangent, you can go for it. Not required, that's one enough. Okay, trim sheet. Okay. Now, I think it will be okay. Here it would be already okay, I think. Okay, we don't have to worry about it. but we have to worry about here. Extend sheet, show result, apply, and then this row, I don't know how to where it is cutting. Cutting is skin curve, sheet. So let's sew them together. Yeah, it is not working. Okay, let's try to extend sheets. So one is enough. And then this is also okay. Okay. Yeah, that's it guys. Up to here everything seems like okay. And let's extend a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Okay. How can we do here? Go to extend sheet. Okay, here is one extension and here is the one extension. So these are working fine to enter. And then I will create one bridge curve again. Go to curve, bridge curve. Select this. Go for zero value. Started in condition. Go for swept. Okay. Take this curve, bridge curve. If I use sweep command, first curve, second curve, so let's show them together. One more time we'll try the titanium fillet. Okay guys, video has been 1 year, 1 hour. So we will stop up to here. We will try from next video onwards. Okay. So I'm stopping now. We will see about the fillet in next video.